Here I'll discuss Lesson 8 and the book modules. So you're asked to shoot images to create a narrative or a story. It can be a step-by-step or a story, basically telling the viewer a sequence of events without having to use words. So for assignment 1, you shot your images, imported them, keyworded them, and so forth, created a screenshot and a contact sheet. For assignment 2, you'll be producing a book created in Lightroom in PDF format. I've gone ahead and flagged the images I'm going to use for my narrative or story and created a separate collection. I want to be sure that sequencing is exactly as I want it to tell the story, and I can do that in the library module or in the film strip and so forth. Okay. Once I have all of the images in order in the collection, try to choose somewhere between 9 and 12 images, not fewer and not more. That amount is good, 9 to 12 images. Make any development module adjustments if necessary to correct exposure, white balance color casts, and so forth. Okay. Once you have your images in a collection, navigate to the book module. You will probably get this layout when you go there. Okay. If you have not used it before, I believe this is the default layout. It chooses an image for the front and back cover, basically the first and last photo. You can change those if you like, and then it has left blank, right page, one photo. Okay. You have a couple of options on the right side. There are no options for a template on the left side. This is a little different mechanism in the Lightroom book module than some of the other modules. One of the first choices you have is blurb, PDF, or JPEG. I recommend leaving it on blurb because that way you can see exactly what it would cost, for example, if you wanted to actually print the book you're creating through blurb self-publishing on demand. Okay, so if I chose the large landscape with essentially 24 pages, this would cost $70 for blurb. You could upload separately and so forth. For this class, this will not be required, but this still allows you to export the book as a PDF. So just go ahead and leave it on blurb, that's fine. You can choose a square, portrait, landscape, small square, large square, and so forth. So now the square format is there. I'll just go ahead and leave it on large landscape. You can choose hardcover image wrap, hardcover dust jacket, the kind of paper. I'm going to choose image wrap, and so forth. So pretty much I'm ready to go ahead and export the book as PDF. But here, having the left page blank, the PDF would simply be an image, a blank page, an image, a blank page. It wouldn't show it in this layout. So I'm going to change it so that the left page also has one image per page. Okay, so I'm going to go here in Auto Layout in Preset and choose Edit Auto Layout Preset. And here, left pages, right pages, you have fixed layout, and then all of these options, 1 photo, 2 photos, 3, 4, some travel and wedding templates. I'm going to leave it on the default for 1 photo, and then
For the blank on the left, just going to say same as right side and save. One photo left and right, create. Now to get that to show in the preview here, I need to clear layout and auto layout. Now it's showing one image per page. If I want a different image for the cover and for the back cover, I can just go ahead and drag an image from the film strip, for example, to do so. I actually don't mind that image for the back cover, so I'll just reposition it. And then here within the book module, you have zoom options. I'm going to leave them showing the full image. You can look at one page at a time. There are options to add text or captions right within the image and or in the library metadata option. I'm not going to ask for any words here. Our intent is to tell a story using images only without using words. So this is just fine for the purposes of this assignment. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, instead of sending the book to Blurb, export book to PDF. And save. Lightroom will actually export two PDFs. One will be for the front and back cover. The rest will be for the body of the book. Okay, so now Lightroom has finished. It's created a cover and back cover PDF and the body of the book. I can just scroll through here. You could also open it in PDF form. And ultimately follow the story of the wine turning into wine and someone enjoying it.